Hello, this is Zeb Gillette, cell leader at Stump Technologies, with a tutorial on how to take your FAA Part 107 reoccurrent test. So it's been nearly 2 years since your initial Part 107 or your last reoccurrent. As of April 2021, you no longer have to pay $160 and drive to a facility to take your exam. It's all online and it's free. Open your browser and go to FAA.safety.gov. You'll see here in the featured courses, you'll have your Part 107 Small UAS Recurrent. Click on the site. It'll take you to the course, give you a description. Down here at the bottom, it'll ask you to enroll in the course. If you don't have an account with FAASafety.gov, you'll be prompted to create a free account. Now, enroll in the course. The course will give you 2 hours to complete the training modules with learning checks. The modules will introduce some new information like remote ID and the 4 categories of UAS operation over people. Upon completion of the test, it'll ask you to complete the review and then move to the exam. The exam is 45 questions and you'll need 100% to pass, but the course will allow you to correct your wrong answers after the initial grading. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to get more informative content for UAS operations from Stump Technologies.